From raging wildfires,
Scientists have warned that the world will experience
to extreme flooding and deadly droughts.
The cost of extracting and burning fossil fuels is clear to see. What people may be less aware of is how the UK's 5 largest banks are lending hundreds of billions of pounds to fossil fuel projects, at a time when experts have warned humanity about the need to end our reliance on fossil fuels.
The world is expected to warm above 1.5 degrees Celsius.
Financial firms, the Bank of England and this government are refusing to listen.
And not only are these projects a risk to our climate and communities,
They're also a risk to our pockets too. As more countries adopt net zero, fossil fuel projects will become less profitable, which means in the long run, many of these banks and investors won't make their money back. When they lose this money, it's usually you and me, the public, who will bail them out. The solution to all this? The Bank of England. It should ensure that banks investing in oil and gas projects are liable for potential losses and act to redirect funds to safer, greener alternatives. Firstly, it could introduce a new rule that forces banks to hold £1 in funds as insurance for every £1 they give to risky, climate-wrecking projects. This would mean banks have the money to cover any future losses from fossil fuel projects they finance, removing the risk of needing a public bailout.
and make investing in these projects a much less attractive option.
Secondly, the bank should protect investment in clean, cheap and affordable renewable energy by introducing a lower interest rate for green projects, as well as investment in upgrading our leaky homes with things like better insulation and solar panels, making them more energy efficient and less reliant on volatile and dirty fossil fuels. Call on the government and the Bank of England to protect us from the risks of reckless, dirty finance by signing this petition.